So the baby guineas, they kind of like to just hang out in here. They don't venture outside of the chicken coop. They've grown up indoors, but I think they're almost big enough to just go ahead and get out of here. But the chickens have their pecking order, and the guineas right now are at the bottom of the pecking order. But they're doing good. They're growing. Oh, are you going outside? No? They're looking. They're looking at it. They're just not sure. Yeah, I guess one of these days they'll follow the chickens out. But they've definitely figured out that this is their home. They roost with the chickens. They eat. They need some food.